Hey Girlie. Today we are talking about something the world mentions often but rarely explains properly. Inside the Taliban's Sharia courts for women, and the dark legal reality that governs Afghan women's lives today. This is not a political opinion video. This is a factual breakdown of how justice works, or does not work, for women living under Taliban rule, based on verified reporting from the United Nations, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and international legal observers. Stay till the end, because what happens inside these courts is not just about Afghanistan, it is about how power, law, and women's bodies intersect when rights are removed. Since the Taliban regained control of Afghanistan in August 2021, the country's legal system has been almost entirely replaced by their interpretation of Sharia law. Civil courts, constitutional protections, and legal safeguards for women have effectively collapsed. The Taliban claim their courts deliver swift justice, but for women, these courts function as instruments of control rather than protection. Women are no longer recognized as equal legal persons. Their testimony is often considered lesser or invalid compared to that of men, and in many cases, women are not allowed to appear in court without a male guardian. In Taliban-run Sharia courts, women cannot freely file legal complaints. To access the court system, a woman usually requires a male guardian, known as a mahram, to speak on her behalf. Without male representation, many cases are simply not heard. This applies to divorce, child custody, inheritance disputes, and even cases involving violence against women. According to United Nations Assistance Mission in Afghanistan reports, women who attempt to seek justice independently often face intimidation, dismissal, or punishment. Divorce under Taliban rule is almost entirely controlled by men. A husband can divorce his wife with minimal procedural barriers. A woman, however, must prove extreme circumstances such as prolonged abandonment or severe harm, and even then, success is rare. In many cases, women are told to return to abusive marriages. Courts prioritize family unity over women's safety, even when violence is documented. Forced reconciliation is common, and women who refuse may face detention or corporal punishment. Punishments imposed by Taliban Sharia courts disproportionately target women. Public floggings, imprisonment, and humiliation have been documented for alleged moral crimes such as adultery, running away from home, or violating dress codes. These punishments are often carried out without due process, legal representation, or the right to appeal. Human Rights Watch has confirmed multiple cases where women were punished based solely on accusations, without evidence or fair trial standards. Women accused of so-called moral crimes are particularly vulnerable. Escaping forced marriage, fleeing domestic abuse, or being seen alone in public without a male guardian can result in arrest. In these courts, intent and consent are rarely considered. A woman reporting rape risks being charged with adultery if she cannot meet impossible evidentiary standards. This has created a climate where women are silenced by fear of legal retaliation. It is important to clarify that Taliban Sharia courts represent one of the most extreme applications of religious law in the modern world. While other countries use religious family courts, most still maintain civil legal systems, constitutional oversight, and international legal obligations. Afghanistan under the Taliban has eliminated these safeguards entirely. There is no independent judiciary, no constitutional court, and no meaningful international accountability within the country. The international community has repeatedly condemned the Taliban's legal treatment of women. Women has described the situation as gender apartheid. Amnesty International has documented systematic denial of justice for women. Equality Now has warned that the Taliban's legal system erases women from public and legal life altogether. These are not cultural practices. They are policy decisions enforced through courts and punishment. Hey Girlie, this is why understanding legal systems matters. Because laws decide who is protected and who is disposable. Inside Taliban Sharia courts, women are not seen as rights holders, but as subjects of control. Justice is not blind. It is gendered, conditional, and enforced through fear. If this video made you uncomfortable, that discomfort is necessary. Silence allows these systems to survive unchecked. If you believe women deserve legal identity, safety, and the right to justice, support conversations like this. Subscribe to Hey Girlie, share this video, and keep questioning systems that remove women from the law entirely. Women's rights are not negotiable. They are human rights.